Hi, I'm Damien from High Tech High North County. Have you ever dreamed of flying? Our aviation program makes it possible. In this episode of The Canvas, we dive into the world of aviation, exploring everything from piloting to drone technology.
How you doing? My name is Joseph Davidson, director here at High Tech High North County. One of the things that I'm really excited about is the implementation of our aviation program. And so we have partnered with ALPA, an organization that is really looking to work with high schools to connect with students about that field of work and to help students who are interested in becoming pilots and also students interested in STEM and careers in aviation. Our goal here is to connect students with real world opportunities. And we've got lots of students that have shown an interest in aviation. We really believe in opportunities for students to learn beyond the four walls of the classroom, and that's what we're doing here.
With hands-on learning, we're not just dreaming, we're doing. Whether it's piloting, engineering, or aerospace, we're ready for the future. Join us and let's soar to new heights together.
Explore a program online, High Tech High North County, or you can fly. Your aviation journey starts here.